into the fourth quarter of this ball game. Looking at the scoring by quarters so far, a very productive third para sa Happy RP.
Oo, ganun na nga. Gaya na nabanggit natin kanina sa ating halftime report. Palitan lang itong dalawang kapunan na to. First quarter, kinuha ng Happy RP. Second quarter, kinuha ng San Miguel. Third quarter, kinuha uli ng Happy RP team.
Now, Happy RP team is coming into this ball game on a 4-game losing streak, partner. Yung huli, pinabanggit natin kanina, kalaban ng FedEx sa Makati Coliseum, 75-71. If they lose today, obviously that will go to 5-game losing streak.
Oh, at pag natalo sila, tapos na ang konferensya para sa kanila.
And the Nationals are also looking to avoid becoming the second team after Shem to post a 5-game losing streak. Siya lamang ang may distinction na yan at hindi naman sila proud dyan. 3-second violation as we see Mr. and Mrs. Cecilia Pedro, team owner of Happy. Laging magkasama yan. Mahilig talaga sa basketball.
Oo, talaga naman para suporta ka sa national team. Kung hindi ka talagang pusong Pinoy, mahilig ka sa basketball.
We are at the Phil Sports Arena. Score is 56-53. That familiar shake and bake and make. Litualo shot, long distance shot, brought to you by PLDT budget cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada at Hawaii. At pag umurong nag-make na siya ng ganun
Saka ang ganda ng form yung forma talagang alam mong goal
puno rin ang forma tira ni Joey Mente.
Alam mo, maganda kay Joey Mente, ang lakas ng legs niya, no?
Grabe.
Aanuhin mo na baka mababa lang elevation niya, pero once he gets up there, mataas ang elevation ni Joey Mente.
Oy, ito pa. Joey Mente goes up against Renren Litualo. Inimbita pa niya. Sumabay ka sana.
Tinignan muna si Renren. Tinignan muna si Renren bago binitawan yung layup. At ganun lang. Dalawa na lang ang kalabangan ng Happy RP.
4 straight points by Joey Mente. The slam dunk king. Yung violent superstars. And medyo na-excite. Pinaul kagad. Si Jeffrey Carriazo.
At meron tayong interesting numbers dito sa ating third quarter. Mamaya papakita natin yan na talagang kung bakit kinuha ng Happy RP team ang third quarter.
Suspense mo pa kami, ha?
Oo, mamaya siyempre.
Dorian Peña walks out and goes to the bench. Rob Duat, pumasok. At may konti tayong lal dito. Referee, so, ito ba yung sinasabi mo sa akin?
Oo, yan yung
Hindi ka na nakahintay,
sinasabi ko. Kita mo naman third quarter, 3-point field goal conversion. Happy RP team shooting 67% on 4 of 6 shots. Samantalang San Miguel Beer, 14% lang, 1 of 7.
Ang daming ibinitaw ni Victoria doon na hindi pumasok. Tala yung tira. Itong si Devon Arp. Oh, look at Joey Mente stretch all the way to the hoop. As you look at that play by Joey Mente with that endurance, that could be this game's best. Find out which move will be the high endurance challenge play of the game after the last quarter. Take the high endurance challenge because nothing keeps you drier and fresher.
Partner, kung di ako nagkakamali, 6 straight points si Joey Mente to. Ako,
sabi mo kasi kanina makulit
kaya naman nainis si Jeffrey Carriazo, no?
Sabi mo nga, makulit
offensive foul lang ang tinawag ng referee, pero reklamo ng San Miguel Beermen, kailangan, dapat daw, technical foul yun, dahil yata parang sinadya, tingnan natin.
Let's look at this foul, Jeffrey Carriazo. Tingnan natin, ha?
Above the shoulder,
above the shoulders nga.
Kaya naman pala nagre-reklamo ang buong coaching staff ng San Miguel Bears. Saka dito parang pinigyan ng isang, ano ba tawag sa karate ng barang? Chop ba yun?
Forearm.
Sa liig.
Slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT Caller ID knows all calls. Si Boybits Victoria will come in the ball game for Joey Mente. At sayang para kay Mente dahil nakaka-anim na sunod at spectacular pa yung 6 na puntos nitong si Joey Mente.
Sayang, pero alam naman ng coaching staff ng San Miguel kung ano na yung naidulot. Pati yung mga fans dito sa ating Phil Sports Arena at pinapalakpakan siya, lalo-lalo yung mga San Miguel Beer fans.
Joey Mente moves out of the ball game with 8 points. 6 here in the third quarter. I make that fourth quarter up. Tabla pa rin tayo, 59 para sa dalawang kapunan as we see Victoria now step into the ball game. for Joey Mente. At matigas naman yung batang yan. Kailangan lang ipagpag ng konti. I'm sure you'll see it. More of him later. Mario Bennett having a hard time here in this ball game. And you look at him, nakabalot yung kaliwang tuhod, nakabalot yung kanang bandang yung bicep area niya. Maybe that is also a factor kung bakit hirap na hirap ito si Super Mario. Maliban na rin sa matinding depensa pinapakita.
Ang ganda kasi ng defensive stance na ina-apply sa kanya ni Devon Harp, no? Tapos once he gets good position, hindi lang si Devon Harp coming from his blind side, nandyan dumodouble si Mick Benisi and some of the Happy RP players.
Malas na sila, natawagan sila ng foul dun sa play na yon. 8 puntos pa lamang, partner, pero 11 rebounds. Hasn't gone to the free throw line yet before this trip.
At sinasabi natin kanina sa ating pregame na kailangan double body siya. As we take a look at Joey Mente.
Naging double chin. Dahil natamaan.
Babalik tayo dito kay Super Mario. Alam natin wala si Lamont Strotters, kaya
kailangan dumoble.
Doble kahit ang dapat na ipakita niya dito.
Nangyari, hindi pa umaabot sa average niya. And 10 puntos pa lamang siya. 19.1 ang kanyang average.
Tama. Mabuti na lang nandiyan si Nick Velasco.
Tsaka sila Joey Mente. Maganda-ganda ang ipinakita sa ofensa. Hatfield, the pull-up. It's coming to the bottom of the net.
Harap-harapan, kinuha na ng tempo yun. Alam niya, who could shoot over Rob Duat. At ang ganda ng release, palobo pa no?
Gugulatin ka ng mga ganong pull-up jumpers. Parang ito, nagulat ako. Super Mario releasing a 3-point attempt. Something that we don't usually expect.
Pati mga teammates niya nagulat siya lang ang nakakaalam na titira na pala siya.
Carriazo, naiwang bakante. Ito si Boy Fernandez pero hindi mailaglag at press.
Good setup by Jeffrey Carriazo. Hindi lang na-convert ni Boy Fernandez pero okay na yung good shot na yun dahil libre.
Kinaangal doon,
Tama.
Boybits lowers his shoulders. Called for the offensive foul.
Good call by the international referee. Talagang pinaba ni Boy Beach yung balikan niya at ang ganda ng defensive stance na yun ni Boyet Fernandez.
And looking at the scoreboard again, bawat tingin ko 61 all, 59 all. Masamang senyales yan, Under 6:30 remaining here in the fourth quarter. Wala akong sinasabi, Rudy Hatfield, back to Nick Benisi. Wala pa rin yung kanyang tira. Devon Harp,
no?
Working so hard.
Devon Harp, the lone Happy RP team na nandun sa ilalim against 4 San Miguel Beer players. Siya pa nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Talagang hassle.
Pasok ulit si Dorian Peña. Nick Velasco, who has so far scored 20 points, pero wala nang naipasok. Ito si Velasco. He push up 61 all is still our score. Carriazo, medyo nadulas ng Bagya. 17 to make something of this offensive set. Velasco make that hard against Bennett. Wala. Benisi for second servings.
Nagpalit na ng tao si Coach Shot ng Kinsen para kumuha ng rebounds. Ganun pa rin ang resulta. Offensive rebound pa rin para sa Happy RP team. At lamang na sila ng 2 puntos.
Partner, pinapalakpakan. Hindi makita ng tao sa TV as we see the sequence. Pinapalakpakan yung pagpasok o yung re-entry nitong si Joey Mente. Naglalakad papuntang scorer's table. The last time I witnessed something like that was during the Samboy Live days. Tumatayo pa lang sa bench, nagpapalakpakan yung mga tao.
Sisigawan ng mga tao. Sa kinanda ba naman ang laro nito talagang papalakpakan yan.
Wild shot by Jeffrey Carriazo.
Again, another offensive rebound by Mick Benisi.
Mabawi sila. Kanina, lamang na lamang ang San Miguel Beer sa offensive rebound. Boybits, the pull-up jumper. Wala pa rin talagang inaalat.
Kanina niya pag ginagawa yan on transition, biglang pull-up jumper. Hindi pa rin nakaka-score.
Devon Harp bringing it to the other side. Hatfield is there to save the day.
Again, another offensive rebound by the Happy RP team. This time it was Rudy Hatfield. Tuloy-tuloy na rin for the putback.
65-61 is our score. Apat ang kalamangan na naman ng Happy RP. Bennett Pumasok sa
Oo.
loob at matatawagan si Vic Tenisi. Let's turn it over first to Pia Arcangel for the injury report kay Joey Mente. Pia?
Well, Boom, kanina sabi ni Coach Leo, matibay na matibay ang legs nitong si Joey Mente, pero mukhang hindi lamang ang kanyang legs ang matibay, pati lalamunan niya. Because despite suffering a blow to his throat from Jeffrey Carriazo, you can see now, he's back in the ballgame, he's back in the court. At tinanong ko siya kanina kung masakit ba, sabi niya, okay lang, kayang-kaya pa rin. Boom, Coach Leo?
Matibay lalamunan, matibay panga, matibay ang pangangatawan nitong si Joey Mente. Sabi sa'yo, konting ano lang yan eh, ininda lang yan ng konti.
Nagmumug lang, okay na.
That's a nice way of putting it. Mario Bennett now with 11 points in the ball game.
Mario Bennett realizing na apat na ang kalamangan ng Happy RP team dito. Kailangan, teka muna, trabaho muna tayo. So bago siya pumunta sa free throw line, going hard for the basket. Talagang mukhang seryoso na to. At magkakatulakan sa ilalim.
Ito, punta muna tayo. It's time now for our Merrill getaway of the game. Sino pa ba? Pinag-uusapan natin kanina pa. Itong si Joey Mente. Nakakita ng puwang, dumire-diretso, lumipad, ibinaba pa at inakyat ulit. Literally getting away from his defender. And that Merrill getaway move of the game was brought to you by Merrill Performance Footwear. Getaway to adventure with Merrill USA.
Partner, paalam lang natin sa ating mga televiewers na 6 na lang ang available na players ngayon dito sa Happy RP team. Dahil si Johnny Abarientos nawawala na sa bench.
Yun ang sinasabi ko kanina, parang isa na lang yun.
Si Ren na lang ang nakaupo, napabalik, no? At ito na.
Ito yung sabi mo, tumatrabaho na.
Namuemuersa na. Si Super Mario.
Sapilitan na to. Isa na naman. Kalamangan, kanina 4. Bumaba na sa isa. Ang kalamangan itong Happy RP at 65-54. Carriazo forces that one. Joey Mente has done his job even on the defense.
4 against 1.
Sinet up kay Rob Duat. Medyo malalim, but Rob Duat and gets the lead for San Miguel there.
Ang ganda ng transition offense na yun, no? 4 against 1. Talagang Joey Mente, bibigay din sa open man. Medyo napalakas ng konti, pero sabi ni Rob Duat, okay lang yan. Balik ang kalamangan sa San Miguel Beer.
Just like that, Davon Harp. Bababa ang pasa.
At nagpapalakpakan dito ang mga supporters ng San Miguel Beer.
Supporters ba ng San Miguel yan? Kala ko supporters lang ni Joey Mente yan.
Ganun ba? Ang dami naman biniling ticket ni Joey Mente.
66-65, and this is really good for his confidence, partner.
Tama.
Maseryoso man tayo dahil pag bumalik ito sila Olsen sa kanilang kupunan, may kumpiyansa na. Ito si Joey Mente.
Nakapag-establish na.
Yun, playing against the best players dito sa inyong bayan ng superstars.
Again, they go to Super Mario.
8 seconds. They've got 4. Mario with the nonchalant hook.
Sabi sa'yo, natrabaho na eh.
Nagpipacing lang pala.
Natrabaho na. So, 3 na ang kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer. 68-65 with 3 minutes left in the ball game.
Ano naman na inaasahan talaga partner ng mga import eh, no? Yung pagka nagkakainitan na diyan kababawi. Rob Duat stepping into the passing lane. Rob Duat all the way. Pero kapos yung kanyang layup. Foul called on Dorian Peña.
Sayang, hinayang na yan si Dorian Peña. Dahil kung na-convert ni Rob Duat yun, credit that half of that basket to the good defense of Dorian Peña.
Mataas yung bitaw ni Rob Duat. That play, a solo replay brought to you by PLDT Caller ID. Knows all calls. Lamang po ang San Miguel Beer 68-65. Magbabalik po kami.
Wala na yatang masasarap pa sa bawat dapit hapon dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
PLDT Phone Card Plus brings you the call that started it all. Collect all the PLDT ET 20th Anniversary phone cards and get an ET card jacket free.
Ang teenager, madalas, in between. Di na school shoes, di pa high heels, di na baby powder, di pa foundation, hindi na kiddie toothpaste, pero hindi white. Dapat Happy Sparkling Gel. May nuance flavor for fresher breath at maximum fluoride for stronger teeth. Kaya pag teenager, dapat happy. Kahit madalas in between. Happy Sparkling Gel. Ngiting kumukutitap.
Kailangan ng mas malakas na gamit. Tumitindi ang kalaban. Parang kalawang na
May mga bagong mukha pa.
sumasalakay kahit anong panahon. Paano na? Panahon nang gumamit ng matindi. Sa maliit na pondo?
Sandali lang.
May alam ako.
Roof Saver. Pinatitibay ang bubong na parang bago. May proteksyon pa sa ulan at init sa kayang-kayang presyo. Roof Saver.
Steven Spielberg's E.T. is coming home to the big screen with never-before-seen footage and enhanced visual effects. E.T. the Extraterrestrial.
Time now for our CMG swipe of the game. And this one features the Jet. Jeffrey Carriazo anticipating that lob pass. Itong si Rob Duat. CMG swipe of the game brought to you by CMG of Australia. Plan ahead, get ahead po ang San Miguel Beer ng tatlo. 68-65 sila naman ngayon ang nasa driver's seat. And another defensive stop para sa kupunan ni Coach Shot ng Ginsen.
Oo, hindi makontrol ni Mick Pinisi yung pasa ni Jeffrey Carriazo, kaya napunta sa player ng San Miguel. Possession, balik sa San Miguel Beer.
Off a timeout pa yun, partner, ha?
Oo.
And they will go to their bread and butter play, pero Rudy Hatfield medyo nag-sack ng konti. Joey Mente, 4 seconds on the shot clock. Joey Mente, nawala! And they won't be able to put up a shot now. 24 ng San Miguel Beer, but they had the right intentions still.
Oo, nabasa ni Joey Mente. 4 seconds remaining sa shot clock. Gustong mag-create ng sitwasyon. Wala rin nangyari.
Time now for a Motor Light pang matagalang player of the week candidate, Jeffrey Carriazo, 32 minutes. He's our candidate for Motor Light pang matagalang player of the week. Carriazo comes up short.
Partner, 32 minutes na. Pagod na. Pagod na.
Tandaan natin, 6 ang naglalaro. 6 na lang po. Para sa koponan ni Coach Eric Altamirano at Coach Jongo Richito. Renren Ritualo is the lone player on the bench. Playing beautiful. Last minutes brought to you by Barcelona. Brandy de España supposed to land in a 3-point shot. Long distance shot. Brought to you by PLDT budget cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada at Hawaii.
Talaga naman, tuloy-tuloy ang suporta ng mga fans dito para kay Joey Mente.
Sabi ko sa iyo, paala, sabi. May foul pa si Jeffrey Carriazo and partner, free throws yan as we look at this play, the kick-out play, the classic SMB kick-out. Joey Mente swishing the net. And that slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT Caller ID knows all calls. Lamang po ang San Miguel Beer ng 6, 71-65.
Feel the passion, feel alright. Barcelona Brandy, you make me feel alive.
Barcelona Brandy de España, rich with the aroma and smooth taste of the finest Spanish brand. Dito ka magtatagal. Tulad mo, tatagal din ako. To health. To life.
Barcelona Brandy, a toast to life.
Kung tatawag sa US, Canada, o Hawaii, mag-PLDT budget card na. 24 cents per minute lang. Ito ang pinakamababang IDD call. PLDT budget card. Tawag na!
Bigyan na lang huto kay Wendy.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kung ako'y pag-ibig mo ay
Ito naman po para kay Jo.
Wala nga pala dito si Wendy at si Jo. Sindo kanina ng mga magulang ni Wendy. Kayo na lang magbigay ng mga binili nyo. O, ito yung kay Wendy. Ito kay Jo.
Ah, maliho. Yung Jo sa akin.
Ah, ganun ba? O, ito.
Super down!
Babalik po ang bayan ng Superstars in Phil Sports Arena. San Miguel Beer, so far with the last spurt before that timeout. Alam mo, yun ang nangyayari sa atin nga. Kanina, habulan.
Oo.
Pero usually, yung happy RP yung nangunguna. Habol itong San Miguel.
At kung magkakatotoo, yung palitan lang napapapor ang San Miguel sa laro nito dahil ang palitan first and third quarter para sa Happy RP team. Second quarter, San Miguel Beer. Meaning yan, fourth quarter, San Miguel.
Tuloy, ano? Well, so far, partner, they have scored 19 points, talking about San Miguel, as to the 9 of Happy RP. And we are approaching the 1 minute 30-second mark of this ball game. Amang ng pito, San Miguel Beer, Jeffrey Carriazo, fouled, going to the hoop.
Going hard for the basket. Jeffrey Carriazo trying to initiate partner some firepower for the Happy RP team. Dahil kanina pa to hindi nakaka-score. Na-foul siya ni Super Mario. Kaya 2 free throws ngayon para kay the Jet.
10 points in the ball game, averaging 12.2 from si Jeffrey Carriazo. And the Happy RP team is looking at a 5-game losing streak kung hindi nila maibaliktad itong nangyari dito sa kanilang koponan, partner.
Johnny Barrientos, kaya pala biglang nawala sa bench ng Happy RP team. Nagkamali ng bagsak kanina, kaya na-sprain yung paa niya.
Partner, this is a big call at this juncture of the game. Fourth personal on Mick Penisi, but unsportsmanlike yan, partner. So may mga penalty na kasama yan.
So we would be seeing Dorian Peña taking free throws without any rebounders. Tingnan natin kung ano talaga nangyari. Ayun.
Natulak bago pa lang dumating ito si Mario Bennett.
Natulak ba o napatid?
Yun nga hindi natin nahuli, no?
At
Ball possession pa to, partner.
Kaya nga, wala tayong nakikitang rebounder. So that means after his second free throw, possession pa uli nila.
At kaya nga sabi natin na that was a big call at this point of the ball game. Pito ang kalamangan. All of a sudden, this game has, been tight all the way, and all of a sudden, medyo nakakaabante ng gusto itong San Miguel Beer on plays like that.
At possession pa nila with 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Dorian Peña again held down by Mick Penisi. 5 na yan. At nag-iisa na lang. Ang kapalit nitong si as you look at Mr. Manlapit of San Miguel Beer.
Kita mo naman nag-enjoy. Pumapalakpak pa si Mr. Manlapit.
Gaano ba kahalaga ulit itong laro na to? Partner, maulit lang natin.
Tapos na ang kampanya ng mga ibang teams pag nanalo ang San Miguel Beer dito dahil malalaman na kung sino yung 8 teams na advance going into the quarterfinals. At ang pinakamaganda dito, may chance pa ang San Miguel na makasama dun sa top 4 teams na merong twice to beat advantage.
Pag nanalo sila sa Alaska sa linggo.
Yun.
Ganun kalaki. And come Sunday, Lamont Struthers will be playing again.
Tama.
So malaking bagay talaga. Hatfield for 3. Short. And with 1 minute, 10 seconds remaining and the lead at 9, Happy RP with only 5 players now dahil nag-foul out na nga si Mick Penisi.
Ay nako, baka meron pang player na 4 personal fouls na dyan. Baka ma-foul yan 4 na player na lang makikita natin dito.
Baka maglaro si Coach Alan yan. Hindi oras. Bennett for the 3-point shot. That comes up short. That's really not his specialty.
Pero nagawa na nila yung gusto nilang gawin. Ubusin yung shot clock nila.
Retualo. Malakas. Bothered by the defense of Joey Mente, who has been all over this court, partner. Ito si Joey Mente. The Von Harp, his second personal foul as some of the fans make their way toward the exits, conceding this game to San Miguel Beer, who are up by 9.
Siguro yung kakulangan ng players ng Happy RP team, yun ang naging rason dahil going into the final quarter wala na silang makuha production dahil sabi nga natin, ilang players lang ang pinapaikot ni Coach Eric Altamirano at siguro talagang pagod na itong mga players na to.
So eventually the depleted lineup, yun ang that's the story of the ballgame, huh? Told the difference of this game. And, complete San Miguel Beer team, except for Lamont Struthers, of course, holding it over. 76-67, umabot pa tayo sa waffle.
Naisip ko pa yun. Talagay ko bumili ka.
Medyo may gutom na rin ako Nakakaramdam na rin Bennett to Peña. Peña doesn't get it to drop, and at the end of 40 minutes of action, oy, di pa pala. May shot clock, inubos pala nila. Oo.
Gutom ka na talaga.
Talagang
Gusto mo nang umuwi.
Hindi naman.
Pero pang 5 seconds, ikaw talaga. Oh.
Inubos pala nila yung kanilang 24-second shot clock, but that's about it. Regardless of the outcome of this play, 76-67 is the final score as the coaches shake hands in the middle at sa ating center court dito sa Phil Sports Arena. And simply put, San Miguel completes the quarterfinal cast.